Using digital footprint data, journeys and intent data, it's now possible to gain deep insights into your customers' behaviour, needs and wants. That's vital in order to create segments and then to serve up with tailored messaging, digital advertising and content. The days of spray and pray marketing are long gone. It's now possible to target into segments, whether those segments are a segment of many or a segment of one. This is often referred to as account-based marketing, or ABM, and many organisations of many different types around the world are using ABM to target their customers. And that could be in one of three ways: one-to-one, one-to-few, or one-to-many. And don't worry, there's an ABM programme for every budget. The segmentation journey can be divided into 5 steps. The first one is that you need to research your segment, and then you need to bring those segments to life with personas. After that, you need to find out which companies, profile the companies you're going to target, and then start to listen to them and track them and monitor them, their behaviour with intent data. And finally, you need to serve them up with relevant messaging, digital advertising and content. I believe that you can't do segmentation without customer insight.